Hello everybody, welcome back to My Naked Face, also my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get a little ring-a-ding-dinga when I upload a new video. Today we are going to be turning this potato face into a face that someone might want to take out on a Valentine's dinner.
Okay, that's what we gonna do.
Potato to I would date-o. Lame, that's me. So I'm gonna start out by doing my foundation. We're gonna start out with the Milani Prime Perfection. It smells kind of weird. This is my first time using it and it smells almost minty. And then I'm gonna go in with the Milani Prime Correct and put it on all my red spots. It's got like a faint green tint to it, but I don't know if it actually is doing a whole lot to my red spots, but we're trying it. Next I'm going to be going in with foundation. I've got Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in two different colors, F1 and F2, and I think I'm kind of an in-between, so I might just try mixing it on my face is literally what I'm going to try and do, okay? This is F1. It's really kind of light maybe for my skin. I don't know. I'm just gonna I like this big ass brush though. That's pretty sweet. And then I'm just gonna take this F2 and put it kind of around as well. Because I'm just gonna blend it all over my face and hope that it works. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just start blending it all over. I have really pale ass skin, so I find it really hard to find a good shade.
I'm like shade transparent.
I'm gonna bring it out to my ears as well, and make sure you go down your neck. You want your face and your neck to match, so you don't look like The Mask. You know the one with Jim Carrey? Don't look like that one.
I feel like I look like a ghost.
This is C1. I'm going to use this for my highlight. And I'm going to attempt using either C14 or C11 for my contour and blend it out. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to try this C11 first. Ooh, that's like really brown. I don't know, let's try it. Let's try this Charlie Brown.
Bye, forehead. Goodbye.
Not terrible, but I still look like the ghost with the most, cause that's me. Make sure I blend out all these little lines I put on my face in an attempt to make it look skinnier. Ish, trying to make it look skinnier. I want to be a I would date-o, not a potato. I want to be an I would date-o. Maybe I'll just deepen my cheek contour a little bit. I'm gonna try it. I want to be sweet like chocolate for Valentine's Day. Let's see here. Ooh, maybe it'll work. Oh Jesus. My hair's stuck on my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. I've got this MAC setting powder here, and I'm gonna use the end of my beauty blender and attempt to put it all over my face. I also like to put it in spots where I know my face wrinkles, like my forehead and my smile lines. So for my brows, I'm actually using this cream shadow. It's from Senegence, and I use a little angle brush. What I do is I just take it out and I leave the container here, and usually whatever's on this stick is enough, so I literally just grab some and then I start filling in my brows. I always like to start to do my brows right from the outside and work my way to the front. And usually once I get this part done, I don't go back for any more product. I just kind of work whatever I have here. I just kind of lightly brush it up into the front to try and get that gradient color, if you will. How's my brow? Snatched?
Snatched.
Now we try and make it a sister on the other side. Not cousins, not twins, just sisters. Good luck with that.
Brows and wing liner? Girl, yeah.
I love a good, thick, juicy brow. So I'm just gonna use this angled brush. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer that I used under my eyes.
These ones?
I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna use this brush and just go like this. So I'm gonna go in with my Venus XL palette from Lime Crime. I really like this color called Scallop for blush. I use it quite often actually. That's what we're gonna use. I'm also gonna be putting a little bit of this on my nose to give me that like rosy glow kind of feel. Just makes it look so cutesy.
Oh my gosh, it's so cutesy.
I'm gonna use my brand new Jeffree Star Highlighting Northern Lights palette. It's like so blinding. Ta-da! I think I want to go with this thawed out color. It's kind of like a pretty pink color. I'm so cute with my highlight. I just want to glow. So anyways, we ready for eyes. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna go with my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. This is in the shade Painterly. I think I'm going to continue to use my Venus XL palette just because it's got lots of really pretty pinky and peachy kind of colors. We're going to put our base down. And for the base is Idolized. So I've just got it on the inside corner of my lid and blending it up into that crease using a fluffy brush. I'm actually just going to use the exact same brush because I don't mind a little bit of blend, and I'm going to go in with this Flora color here and put it a little bit above my crease and just kind of start almost in the middle of my eye and blend it in with what I have in the corner a little and also on the outside. It's kind of like a soft sweeping circular motion. So now I want to blend a little bit of a darker color, so I really love the burgundies in this palette actually. How dark do we want to go?
How dark do we go? How dark do we go?
Let's go right in with like this Aphrodite shade because I said so, okay? So I'm actually going to use the same fluffy brush because I find I like to. Is that a good enough reason? Maybe. I'm literally just going to put a little bit on my brush though. Tap most of it off and then just start slowly kind of in the corner and blend it up into that kind of peachy color Flora that we just put down. I have a fluffier brush that is stained red, so I'm just going to gently use that to blend those colors even more.
Okay, so I'm digging it.
And I'm actually going to start by using this bright pink right here, and I'm going to use that on the center of my eyes and then use probably like a darker color right in the corner to deepen it. Let's try this one. So I'm going in with this Flora and I'm blending it into this color. Actually, that other color was called Passion. Bringing it down a little bit. And then I'm going to deepen it on the outside edges with this Botticelli, I think it's called. I'm not entirely sure. And then bring it up and blend it into that corner. And I'm going to go back in with this stained red brush that I already stained previously and kind of blend it up and into my crease. So now I'm going to go back in with the concealer and cut my crease. God damn, what am I doing? So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a combination of this ethereal, and love, and I'm going to kind of blend them a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to just press it along the top of this concealer line that I have placed on my eyeball. Just packing it right on there. And then I'm going to go in with this Love shade, which is a little bit darker, and do it a little bit closer to my lash line and a little bit closer to the dark colors on the edge. I think it's turned out pretty bomb.
Pretty bomb!
What? So I'm going to go back in with this stained brush that I already used and just kind of blend it with this dark color that I had here. Next thing we're gonna do is eyeliner. Dear sweet baby Jesus, I got these 2 new eyeliners and I'm really hoping that one of them works out. We've got the Sigma liquid pen eyeliner and we've got, this is Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick. So I'm just gonna pick one at random. This one. Comes in this fancy box. You don't need the box.
You don't need it.
I have no idea if this is gonna be any good. Let's see. Maybe it'll be good. We'll see. I'm gonna start right from the corner of the inside of my eye and work my way on my lash line till I get to the edge. I like to do that first. So far about this pen, I really like it. It has a really nice fine tip on it. Really nice fine tip.
So far, so good.
Something like that. And then I'm just gonna go from the corner of my eye and bring it out. If I want to go from potato to I would dado, then I'm gonna need a sharp wing liner. I like to do actually the line on both sides and make sure they're even before I fill it in, so I don't have like one wing like doing a little higher dance than the other one. You know, if you want to go from potato to I would dado, you would probably want some pretty glam ass lashes. So I think for today we're gonna use, these are so glamorous. I always have to cut my lashes a little tiny bit shorter just because my eyeballs are short, I guess. And they poke me if I don't.
Poking I don't want.
Look how big and glamorous these lashes are. I'm gonna do those off camera and I'll be right back. There. Kind of like that. And then once I have my lashes on, I go in with a little bit of mascara underneath to blend my natural lashes up to the heavens and into my other lashes. These are like the thickest lashes I've ever had on my eyeballs. I could barely see jack shit and I'm like, Next, I'm gonna put on some lipstick. I bought this shade. It's called Jealousy. I bought it from Orebel.ca. This is Morphe liquid lip of some sort. Really like this color. I'm so excited to wear it with this pinky look.
Oh, baby. Oh my god, this lip color. Oh, that's so good.
Let's do some hair. We'll make this fast. Okay, so my hair is curled. Now one last thing. I forgot to put a little bit of shimmer on the inside of my eyes. How could I forget that? I'm gonna stick with my Venus XL palette because that's what I've been using the whole time. And I'm gonna go back in with this and I'm just gonna put that right in the corner of my eye as like a finishing touch. Okay, so hair is done, makeup's done. This is how you turn a potato into a delicious French fry for Valentine's Day. From potato to I would dado. Delicious French fry. Here is the final look, you guys. Please tell me what you think in the comments. I used all of my Lime Crime palette for the eyes. These are some Morphe lashes, Morphe lip color in Jealous, I think. So would you wear this for Valentine's Day? Would you? Because I would. The cute little black dress.
Yeah, girl. Oh my god, take me out for supper.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.